Ivy, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my first ever video on here. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. Here's an example of it. It's very stretchy and everything. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more ways to make slime and on my crazy day. So let's get on to the video. Here are the materials you will need. Something to mix with. Glue. Don't use Elmer's glue, it won't work. So this is why I'm using liquid glue and not Elmer's glue. If not, I would have been using Elmer's glue. Baking soda. Something to mix with. And this is totally optional. Glitter, marker ink, or food dye. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add as much glue as you want, and the glue will be the amount of your slime. So I'm going to just add a lot, like a bunch. Okay, sorry about that. I had to add a paper in the bottom so you guys would see what I'm doing. And then grab your marker ink or food dye. So I'm going to be using blue, but it actually turns into a purple, so. I'm gonna add that much. And then grab your mixer and give it a mix. Sorry about that, guys. So let's go back. So after you're done mixing this, you're going to want to add a pinch of baking soda, about that much, and then start mixing up. So you can't really see it, so now I'm gonna just keep mixing it. It is actually getting slimy. So now grab a little more than you did before of baking soda and add it in. And then now you will be seeing that it actually is getting thicker and slimier. It's getting like slime. It's like coming out together. So just let it be for a while. Just let it be for a while, and then it'll start getting a little harder. So meanwhile that does what it does, I'm gonna just make a musically and you guys will be able to watch me. There's you guys. Yeah, you guys see each other? Okay. So yeah, now that I'm done, it should be good. So yeah, so here it is, and yeah, so it actually is like getting stronger and everything, but you're going to want to touch it to see if it actually still sticks to your finger. And if it does, then the only thing you're going to need to do is just add a little, oops, put that aside. As you can see, I have slime in between my fingers. Just grab a tiny bit of baking soda, and just add it in there and start mixing it, and it will start doing that, and it will be less sticky to your fingers. Trust me. Let me just get this off. No, okay. So if it's not less stickier, sorry, as I had to add more slime to the paper. If it's still not less stickier, grab a little bit more baking soda and add it in there, about that much, and then just mix it up. Sorry if you guys hear my stomach, I'm hungry. So now touch it, and it's still sticking to your fingers. So if it's still sticking to your fingers, add a tiny more baking soda. If it's not sticking to your fingers, then what you're gonna need to do is grab the slime, and start to play with it until it gets used to your fingers. If it's not, grab a little more baking soda, put it all in there. And you could only add baking soda 3 more times. And if it's still sticking to your fingers, then that's how it's going to have to be. And then tomorrow it will be perfect. So, still sticking to my fingers, and I already added it 3 times. So, what you're going to want to do is just like, oh my, let me get this off of me. And just put it on the paper. Can you guys see that? Like, all of that right here, all of this on the paper is slime. So just take out the fork or your utensil that you're using to mix. Put it aside for now, and then grab the slime, and then you're gonna need to start playing with it. Like, seriously, just start playing with it, and it'll be a lot less stickier to your fingers. So don't grab all of it yet. You're gonna want to do it little by little if it's really, really sticky. If it's not that sticky to your fingers, then just grab it all and you'll be fine. If it gets all over your fingers, then just try to grab the whole slime and stick it on your fingers, and it will seriously just like get the rest of it off while the other is sticking. So I'm going to pause the video right here until I get the whole slime off of my fingers, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. So yeah guys, thank you. Thank you guys for watching, and that'll be all for today. I'll show you guys some more cool ways to make slime next week on Saturday and Sunday, also tomorrow. So yeah, make sure to check it out. Subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.